Previously on my last video. I really want to do this. I don't know if I want to do this. I don't want to do this now. Look, ever since I used this bitch, I had trust issues. So I'm not satisfied. I don't think so.
Bitch!
I'm gonna use this shit on another video. You guys will see what happens next to my hair.
Kiss in the living room. That's a hella way to end the night. A hella way to end the night.
Hello! My shirt is see-through. I didn't brush it. Ooh, girl! I've washed it a couple of times. See, this is why it looks faded, I guess. But, I had it in like a bun, so that's why it's kind of, that's why it's kind of tangled or whatever. I haven't. Alright, I'm sorry I'm so fucking awkward. But, yeah, I don't know what else to say in the video, so here's just me showing my hair to y'all, I guess. My honest opinion on it is, I mean, it's a bit too bright for me. I did not want like a bright red. And I'm sure that it's gonna keep fading and get even brighter. So for the 4th time, I know it's kind of annoying, but I don't know. So yeah, here's it from the back. You can really see how much it's fading already. But yeah. Here's better clips and better lighting. And holy crap, I look fucking white. I look like a girl. Okay, enough of that. What the fuck am I doing? I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah. Damn, I look sweaty. So yeah, those are the clips, and one more thing before you guys go. Tell me some stuff I should record or any suggestions. Like, bye, for real now. I'm like,